Okay, people, this is all happening backwards, but I do not mind. The muffler is on the BMW. Zam. But let's see if this is the intake. Oh, it's looking promising. Let's see what we got here. Alright, so we have... I just got the craziest cardboard cut of my entire life. Is that even possible? Oh my god. Ow. Alright, so we have the short ram pipe. This stuff is totally lethal. I just sliced myself so bad on this cardboard. Not going to show you guys though. You guys want to see that. Alright, wow. Look at this hefty mongoloid. That just looks like a good time. I'm going to go outside, do some pulls at the BMW with the muffler on without this installed. Then I'm going to install this and do a few more pulls, see if there's any difference.